Welcome to the MCPL Culinary Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're coming in hot with two delicious dishes. Vegetarian butternut squash chili with avocado and a corn chowder.
Our butternut squash chili with avocado is a comforting, flavorful vegetarian dish that warms both the body and the heart.
Let's talk about one of the key ingredients in this chili, the chipotle in adobo sauce.
Yes.
You usually find this at your local in-house market in the Mexican section. You probably won't use the whole can at once, so transfer the rest into a small freezer bag, press it flat, and freeze it. And if you can't find chipotle, no worries, just use smoked paprika. Start with 1.5 teaspoons and add more to taste.
Now, butternut squash is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, nutrients essential for immune support and healthy, shiny skin.
Ooh. It's also packed with antioxidants that help protect against oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
Yes, Mom. Next up, my favorite, our corn chowder. Now, corn chowder is a classic comfort food that's enjoyed by all ages.
But is it actually good for you?
Is it?
The answer is a resounding yes.
Ah.
Corn chowder is packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in a variety of ways.
Yes. Now, these ingredients provide essential nutrients like, once again, vitamin A and C, but how about this? Fiber as well.
And minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help support heart health and muscle function.
And we're using our wonderful gluten-free cornbread. Don't deny it until you try it.
There you have it, two dishes that warm the soul and help keep you and your family on the healthy eating track.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, drop us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count.